You think you know how a man shows love in the bedroom. You might even think you've experienced it all. But sometimes, the most meaningful gestures are the ones we don't even notice. The small things that reveal just how deeply a man is connected to you. If you've ever wondered whether your man is truly making love to you with his heart, you're not alone. It can be hard to tell, especially when love and intimacy can feel like such a delicate dance. But there are specific signs, subtle yet powerful, that show when a man is pouring his heart into every moment of love. In this video, we'll uncover 7 things men do when they're making love from the heart, so you'll know the difference between a connection that's just physical and one that's rooted in deep emotional love. Make sure you watch until the end, because these signs can transform how you view your relationship. Welcome to a new video from the Women's Heartfelt Love channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more insights on love, intimacy, and connection. Let's start. Sign number 1. He takes his time. When a man is making love from the heart, he's in no rush. He's not focused on reaching the finish line. He's present in every moment with you. Whether it's kissing you, holding you, or savoring every second together, he takes his time because he values you. He wants you to feel secure, appreciated, and deeply connected. There's no rush because it's not just about the destination. It's about the journey you're sharing together. Sign number 2. He maintains eye contact. Eyes are the windows to the soul, and when a man loves you deeply, he'll gaze into yours like he's trying to communicate everything he feels without a single word. Maintaining eye contact during intimacy is vulnerable and powerful. And it's his way of saying, I see you, I want you to see me. This kind of emotional transparency isn't just about attraction, it's about deep connection. Sign number 3, he's emotionally vulnerable. Let's face it, vulnerability isn't easy for most men. But when he loves you deeply, he'll let his guard down. Whether it's whispering sweet words, sharing how much he loves you, or even shedding a tear, his vulnerability shows that he trusts you completely. This emotional openness is his way of saying, you matter to me more than anything. Sign number 4, he's fully present. When a man makes love from the heart, he's not distracted. He's not thinking about work, checking his phone, or rushing through the experience. He's fully present, listening to your body, reacting to your touch, and tuning out everything else. When he's completely focused on you, it's clear nothing else matters but the connection you share. This level of presence is a powerful sign of deep and genuine love. Sign number 5. Both of you enjoy it. When intimacy is truly from the heart, both of you will experience it on a deeper level. This isn't something that can be planned or forced. It happens naturally when you share strong, genuine feelings for each other. Physical intimacy becomes an act of the soul, not just the body. Whether you're in the early stages of a relationship or have been together for years, intimacy remains meaningful. Even middle-aged couples, or those in long-term marriages, continue to enjoy this emotional connection. Studies show that both men and women find physical intimacy linked to greater life satisfaction. And when your man loves you deeply, you'll both experience a richer, more fulfilling connection in these moments. Sign number 6. There will be conversations. Making love involves more than just the physical. It also connects your minds and hearts. When your man is making love from the heart, he will initiate deep, intimate conversations that create even stronger emotional arousal for both of you. He'll open up in ways he hasn't before, sharing personal thoughts, secrets, and feelings that build trust and intimacy in your relationship. These conversations, both during and after intimacy, are his way of telling you that he's emotionally invested. They show that he values you not just as a partner, but as someone with whom he can be completely open and vulnerable. Sign number 7, he would kiss you a lot. One kiss can speak louder than 1,000 words. When a man is making love from the heart, his kisses will tell you everything you need to know about his feelings for you. If your man is showering you with kisses, whether as part of foreplay or throughout the act, it's a clear sign that he deeply values you. Each kiss will carry the intensity of his passion and the joy he feels in being close to you. It's not just about the physical act, it's about conveying love, affection, and the deep emotional bond he shares with you. The way he kisses you, tender yet passionate, shows just how much he wants to make you feel loved and desired. Conclusion: when a man is making love from the heart, it's about more than just physical pleasure. It's a deep emotional connection that transcends the moment. From taking his time to maintaining eye contact, being attuned to your needs, and being emotionally vulnerable, these signs reveal a love that goes beyond the surface. It's about trust, mutual respect, and a shared journey of intimacy that makes you feel valued and cherished. If your man shows these signs, you can be sure that he's emotionally invested in you and your relationship. Remember, true love isn't just about the act itself. It's about how deeply you connect with each other on every level. So the next time you share an intimate moment, pay attention to these signs and know that it's not just your bodies that are coming together, but your hearts as well.